Hi, welcome to my channel Coding Skills. In this video, I am going to tell you what is launching of an application along with some examples. I will also show you how we can implement the same in Java programming. A small request from my side is please watch the video till the end so that you will not miss anything. So let's get into the details. What is launching an application? Basically, launching means opening an application. In Windows, we can launch any of the application by simply clicking on the respective executable file. We can also do the same by using a Java program with the help of the runtime object. Following are the few applications which can be invoked from Java program: Calculator, Notepad, Google Chrome. As can be seen, following are the paths of each application from Windows machine. New Java class and naming the file accordingly. Also choosing public static void main method. Removing to do statement. Declaring a variable OS name system.getProperty, and we are converting this into lowercase, and name of the property is os.name. So this is going to give us the operating system name in which this program is being executed. Printing the operating system name and appending the variable OS name. If OS name starts with Windows, we'll proceed with the actual logic, else print a message that invalid operating system. So other than Windows means we are going to print a message to the user. Creating a public static method which is of type void, and name of the method is launch-up calculator. So we are going to invoke this method inside a if block. Printing a message launching calculator. Declaring a string array to hold the command. Here we are going to give us the path of the calculator application in a Windows machine. So c/windows/system32/calc.exe. This is the default path of the exe file for the calculator. Creating a runtime object, runtime.getRuntime. Runtime object dot execute and pass the command array. This statement is going to give us a above exception. Either we need to handle or we need to throw. So we are going to handle by using a try catch block. Catch IO exception, printing a stack trace of the exception object. We are almost done with it. Now executing the program. So you could see that operating system name as Windows 10 and message as launching calculator. We should see the calculator application. Now it's open. You can see that calculator is being opened as seen. Copying this launch calculator method and pasting it. Now we are going to invoke launch Notepad. updating the message launching Notepad. We'll also change the path of the Notepad. So it is also in the C Windows System32 and exe file name is notepad.exe. So rest everything is same. So we'll copy the method and comment the old method invocation, and we'll be pasting the launcher Notepad inside it. Executing the program. Now we should see that Notepad application should be open. You can see the console and also Notepad is open. So you can see that right now it is untitled. So command array also has a second parameter. We can give a file name hello.txt. So now Notepad is going to open with the file name as hello.txt. Executing the program. You can see the title of the Notepad hello.txt. Hello. Copying the existing method, pasting it, launch Google Chrome. This time we will see the Chrome application. So launching Google Chrome. Updating path inside a command array. So this path is completely different. See program files x86 /google /chrome /application /chrome.exe. So rest everything is same, only the command part changes. So we are going to invoke this particular method inside if block, commenting the old invocation of the Notepad and pasting the new method. So we are almost done with it. Let's run the program to see the Chrome browser. So Google Chrome open. So you can see that no URL is invoked. So we are going to pass a second parameter as some URL of the website. For example, I am giving here http://www.google.com. So when we run this program again, so you should see that Google website gets opened automatically in the Chrome browser. You can see that it is trying to load the Google website. You can see the page is getting loaded. So this way we can launch any application from the runtime object. If you are having any questions related to this video, please drop me a comment so that I can respond to it. Also, if you are looking for any specific program, please do let me know so that I can plan for it in my upcoming videos. Please like the video. In case if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you so much once again and see you in the next video.